Oh, it's you again. Well, you are probably expecting another winner announcement. Well, I was just on the way to the airport, so let's make this quick. My name is Romeo Durscher, I'm with Outarian, and I'm one of the judges on categories other than the People's Choice category. As somebody who has been in the industry for over a decade now, I have seen many great people coming into the industry, making a big contribution. It is important that we recognize these individuals and the organizations providing a new wind, direction, and motivation to all of us. In this year's Airwards choice categories, everyone was able to vote in organization categories such as startup, enterprise, standards, media outlets, and others. There was also a person category such as disruptor, impactor, rising star, executive senior leadership, under 30, and many others. It is my honor to announce the top spot and winner of the category person, Industry Impactor in the group People's Choice. It is somebody I have been enjoying over the years a lot, who is bringing a much needed and continued focus on gender diversity in the industry and with an amazing background. And the winner is Zoldi. Dawn is hands down a facilitator, dynamic educator, and leader in the UAS industry. She has created a movement with her Dawn of Drones podcast and uses her spotlight to highlight other accomplishments and educate the public. Congratulations.
Hi everyone, Dawn Zoldi here. I'm the CEO of P3 Tech Consulting, and I am so honored and privileged to have won the People's Choice Award for Airwards for Industry Impactor. I can't even tell you what this means to me and my company, considering our whole entire reason for being is to elevate the companies and the people that are doing amazing things in the UAS and AAM industry. P3 Tech Consulting is all about connecting people with a passion for advanced technology platforms with the plans, programs, and policies, as well as the information they need to succeed. And I'll tell you, this award, it is just, it's amazing. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Really appreciate it. Appreciate all of you. Thank you again.